Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solve a Rubik's Cube Part 2. If you haven't watched How to Solve a Rubik's Cube Part 1, make sure to go and watch that. I'll put a link in the description below. And there will be a card that you can click right now. So, for this video, it'll be a very short video because all we're going to be solving is the second layer. And for the second layer, the center pieces are already there. Like I mentioned in the first video, the center pieces never move. So all we're going to be changing is the edge pieces, the 4 edge pieces. Okay, so for the algorithm, I just want to remind you the algorithm. You're going to find the edge piece without yellow and move the tile or sticker that's not on the yellow face towards the whatever color it is. So this one's blue. Let's move it to the blue face. And so the algorithm that you're gonna want to use for inserting the pair is moving this out of the way. So moving it out of the way means that these two colors can, like this tile piece, so if you moved it over here, that wouldn't work because orange is one of the colors that we're going to be inserting, but red isn't, so we can move it to the red face. Okay, so now you're going to take the face that's opposite to the edge piece and do the set of moves. Up, right, down, left. And then turn the cube right. And then do the same set of moves. So up, right, no, left, and then back down. Now you've inserted the pair. And so that was for the left hand. Okay, so for the right hand, I'm using blue and red. So here's the edge piece. Let's move it to the blue center piece. Okay, so now we can move it out of the way. So like I said, for the left hand, it can't be one of these colors. So if we moved it here, it would be wrong because red is one of the colors that we're going to be inserting. So let's move it to the orange face. And then let's take the red face, which is the opposite from the edge piece, and let's do the exact same set of moves, except a little bit different. So up, and instead of right, we're going to do left, down, and then right. So those set of moves were sort of opposite from the left ones. Okay, now let's turn it to the left. And then we're going to do up, right, and then back down. That's the 2 algorithms that you're going to be using to solve the whole middle layer. Do is find an edge piece that doesn't have yellow. So this one does have yellow, but this one doesn't. So the 2 colors on it is orange and green. So you don't want to worry about the color that's on the yellow face. You want to worry about the one that's not on the yellow face, which is this one, which is orange. So you want to move the orange to the orange face. So let's move that to the orange face. So if it was over here, you just move it 2 times any direction. Okay. So the first algorithm that you're going to need to learn to do the middle layer is you're going to move this out of the way. If you did this, well, it's out of the way, but it's not the right way. You want to move it to where these 2 colors aren't. So if we moved it over here, the green is right here. So we want to move it out of these 2 colors. So blue is a good color. Now, if it's on your right side, you want to move the left side. So let's move the green face up and then yellow face to the right. And then let's move the green face back down and then move the yellow face to the left. Okay? And now if you want, you can rotate it. I'm going to rotate it because it feels better for me, but you can do it from here. So you want to move the orange face up and insert the white. So whenever you move a piece out, you want to make sure you come back to where you were. So right here we have it inserted. So what we did is we send it out, this corner piece, the white corner piece, to grab this piece and then move it back towards it. That's the algorithm. Okay, so here we have the red and green piece. So again, red is not on the yellow face, so we can move that towards the red face. And then we can move the edge piece out of the way from the red or the green. So that's blue. And then we have to move, in this case it's the right hand that's gonna be doing all the work, because the left hand has the piece captive right here. So let's move it like that. And remember this algorithm. It's up, and then yellow face to the left, and down, and then to the right. Don't get confused if you're thinking that this is over here for you. If it's over here, then you're going to have to do it for the left hand, which I did for the other one, this one. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it, and then do up, and then to the right, back down, and we've inserted the pair. Okay, so now we have one of the pieces that we need to insert in the wrong place. So it's the same colors, but it's flipped over. So if you have it like this, or if, this type of piece is some other place, you want to just do a random move with the same algorithm. So make sure that you're not inserting the piece that you want. You're supposed to insert the yellow edge pieces. So right now there's a yellow edge piece right here, because we want to move it to the opposite of where we want to move it. So, and then we want to take out this edge piece by moving this side up, the yellow face to the right, and then move it back down, and then move it back to the left. Turn it, move the blue face up, move the yellow face, insert it, and then there. We've inserted it and taken out the edge piece that we want. So now let's insert it properly. So blue tile goes where the blue is, and then let's move it one more time this way to get it out of the way. Move the edge piece to the opposite of the edge piece that you want. So let's move that face. Move the yellow face to the right, move it back down, and then move it to the left. And then for the blue one, do the exact same moves. So up, yellow face to the left, and then move it back down. And as you can see, it's inserted. So right now we only have one more to do, and it's the blue and red face. So here it is right here. So it has the blue tile that's not facing the yellow. So let's move it to the blue centerpiece. Okay, and then you want to move it out of the way. So when you want to move it out of the way, it should not be in any of these two colors. So if we moved it here, it would be wrong, because red is one of the colors that we're going to insert. So let's move it to the orange side, because orange is not one of these two colors. Okay, so let's move the red face up, and then the yellow face to the left, move it back down, and then move it to the right. Okay, now let's insert. Move this up, move the yellow face to the right, and move it back down. So it would be better if you can memorize it. Again, that takes lots and lots of practice. That's it for this video of how to solve the Rubik's Cube Part 2 of the second layer. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like our content. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.